I'm Jason Belcher, and I'm Chief Financial Officer for a large, growing, and dynamic corporation located in Mandeville, Louisiana. I became acquainted with Tim Burns and his work, Midlife Tune-Up, not too long ago, and I've found it an invaluable resource. Our company has grown in excess of 200% over the last decade. We've grown from very few employees to now in excess of 500. To manage that kind of growth takes passion for your work and passion for your business. Some of the core principles that Tim brings out in his book, especially in the sections pertaining to your employment tune-up and the choice of career that you need to make for your life. I found Tim's book very helpful. Mr. Burns is very knowledgeable, and from what I can gather, he's experienced many of these things in his life and has made them a valuable resource for others to draw from. I would recommend this book highly, and I've recommended it to my employees and peers, and it's been quite useful in our own organization. Thank you very much.